Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the starter on your ATV. This is an Arctic Cat ATV, but the process is going to be similar to most other ATVs and models, so let's get right into it. Alright, so your starter is going to be located on your engine, and it's going to be right up here on the top on this model. You want to disconnect the terminals that go to the battery. This positive terminal here coming off the top of the starter, and then you have your grounding terminals here. On this starter here we have two screws mounting it to the engine case itself, so we'll pop those screws out. We'll get our wires out of the way, and you should be able to just pull the starter straight out of where it is located. So there we have our faulty starter. You can see on this one we have some bad teeth on it, so it is getting replaced on this ATV. If there's any dirt or junk on top of the engine there where the starter seats, you can clear that out. And we're ready to slip our new starter in. Alright, so we've got our starter here. The good one is ready to go in. We're going to slip our starter in here, and you're going to line it up into that hole there. It should just slip straight in. You may have to turn the top of the starter slightly to get it to line up with the gears in the engine, but then it should just slip straight in like that. And now we've got that in there. We can put in our first bolt here to locate the starter, and then on the back we have the grounding wires. So on this model we have two grounding wires that attach to the starter here, so we can just stick our bolt through those. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. We'll snug these down to torque specifications, and then our last connection here is up on the top, and that is our positive terminal, and then we'll just tighten that down. Finally, we can put this cover back over the positive terminal. That will protect it from being shorted out from anything that might bump onto the positive terminal. Alright guys, that is how to install a starter on your ATV. Hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to smash that like down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.